I think we may have come across our first Amazon fail. It's not a total fail because it's a mirror and that's what we needed it to be, but it doesn't really fit like it should.
No, because the housing for the mirror here is a little bit tighter and it wants to try to push it out of place. So I'm just securing it a little bit more with some epoxy glue, and hopefully that does the trick.
We might end up with this doing what the original mirror did and shattering, and we might end up back with the Dollar Tree taped up here because I'm not spending this much on another mirror.
You know, next time I replace this mirror, I will be replacing the whole housing. That way I know it's good.
So we'll update you in a future video as to how well this did. Chris has epoxied it into place and adhered it with whatever they sent, that
3M sticky pads.
yeah, so we'll see.